Yeah, it's okay.
Is it gonna be scary?
Just remove your shoes, slippers na lang.
Just hold on to this one.
Remove your slippers. And then, hold on to the rail.
I'm just gonna have no, it's okay. Just remove your slippers now.
Yeah, hold on to the rail. What was that? Coke, what the heck?
What is that? A coconut. There's no coconut tree here.
What the heck was that? Ate, go! Just hold to the railing. Meanwhile, Sandy, meanwhile. No, Ate, you can do it. Oh, there's Ate Jillian. Oh my God. Come on, guys. We were just wondering, baka sobrang late nyo na makarating ganun. Sabi namin, baka sobrang late nyo na makarating.